nabi akumereye nabi gute ni wowe umuha uburenganzira
house.
acabwira umugabo ati
She told her husband,
ati honey
mukunzi,
abashiki bawe nagusanganye
the sisters I found in your house,
saha bagomba kuba
they no longer have to be here.
bafise 5 jours
They have 5.
nani mfise zoom meeting ati tubanze arayitazaho si dedwa ati hehe ndarahari.
Rero uno munsi nabazanye imwe mu video akomeye cyane ivuga kuri teme ivuga ngo uko wizera ni kuri. Nza kwifashisha umwe mu bakozi b'Imana badasanzwe, mu bakozi b'Imana kurikiranye ndimwe ariko arigisha agenda ahinduye ubuzima bwanje. Uyu nawe si wundi ni Pst Julienne Kabanda, umwe mu bakozi b'Imana bo mu gihugu kibanyi cyo mu Rwanda. Ico gihe ngo ari muri 2022 mu gihe yazino nari maze nk'ikintu ca mezi nk'atanu nkijijwe, bari bamutumye muri eglise iri mu Kinindo y'umu bishop adasanzwe ari we Nahimana Diedone. Ico gihe bari mu misi y'amashimwe Thanksgiving Day. Rero mu gihe yari yaje nanjye tongera amahirwe kuja kumviriza zimwe mu nyigisho ziwe. Inyigisho yatanzwe munsi zandese cyane zashoboye guhindura ubuzima bwanje complètement. Abafaransa bakunze kubivuga neza ngo il m'a laissé sans voix. Inyigisho zatanzwe uyu munsi rero nizo nje nakuzaniye nashoboye guhindura ubuzima bwawe.
I have a friend we've been together in school.
Yarongowe n'umusore ufite bashiki be niba ari 7 niba ari 8.
She was married to
bose babana baje kuba kwa grand frère,
living with their 6 sisters, living with their brother in the same house.
Iyo minsi yose yarazaga muraho mbega Jacqueline.
One day she was coming, oh Jacqueline, how are you? Lilian,
pass nukurinda baramukije.
I greet you all from the house.
Agacha yicara bakaza yego
Sit
tuzimana
down, yes,
iriki
what can we give you as drink?
igihari cyose
Whatever is in the house.
akareba hasi akashize
Just very shy girl.
ariko bakagira mdomo
So
bashiki b'umuhungu.
they were very gossiping, those sisters of the husband. Gossips.
Nta numwe yabibwira.
No, she couldn't tell anybody that they were gossiping about her.
Kakamujya
She kept it in her heart.
yaza akavuga Jackie.
She just could come, oh Jacqueline, how are you? Paskazia.
Umunsi bazi imbere y'abantu bamwambika ikivuga ngo impeta.
The day they put a ring on her finger.
Bashaka gukomeza ya rythme.
They wanted to carry on the very way they were doing and behaving.
Batazi ko
Not knowing that
mu mategeko
in the law
yateruwe yashizwe mu wundi mwanya.
been taken to another level.
Igitondo kimwe arabyuka.
Just one morning she woke up.
Arababwira ngo rero musigaje 5 jours muri iyi nzu.
Told them, now you have 5 days left to be in this house.
Badi
They were like,
fire.
Muriro.
Arababwira ngo yamusigaje 5 jours.
You just 5 days left to be here.
Aragenda ashaka inzu.
She went and found the house.
Yarafise amahera ashaka inzu
She had
ashiramo
enough
ibintu
money.
byose
She put all the
byose.
furnitures in the house.
Ntayo umugabo yafashe yarafise.
Not the money of the husband.
Ashiramo n'umukozi arahaha.
Put a housekeeper in the house.
Acabwira umugabo ati
She told the husband,
ati honey
mukunzi,
abashiki bawe nagusanganye
the sisters I found in your house,
saha bagomba kuba.
they no longer have to be here.
Bafise 5 jours.
They have 5 days
Kuba bagize gute?
to be what? To move
Nakunda
out.
bumva.
I don't get you. To move
Vuga
out.
neza.
Louder.
Arabwira ati byagenze gute ati
Said
wo
how
mdomo.
they are gossipers beyond the level.
Kandi ntibagosipinga iwanje.
And then nibasakuza in my house.
Aramubwira uyu n'umugore amaze ukwezi kumwe.
This is a woman just who have been there for 1 month.
Ariko yimuwe.
But she has been moved.
Mbere yarifata.
She used to be just behaving kind, but now
arashigikiwe n'ababyeyi, ashigikiwe n'abashumba ko afise uburenganzira muri uru rugo gufata ibyemezo.
in the family to take a decision. She has full right.
Umugabo aravuga ngo ariko urabona ugera cyari muto ati ntabwo ari muto sinonsa.
She's not young. I'm not gonna breed to feed her.
Turabafashiriza
We're gonna have them being
ku ruhande.
on the other side.
Imana yampaye umugisha w'amafaranga.
God bless me with money.
kandi urabizi
And you know it well.
nukuri turabafashiriza
I'm
hajya.
gonna bless them on the other side.
I want my space.
Nkeneye ikibanza cyanjye cyagutse gikuru.
Umugabo aravuga ngo ibyo ushaka
That's why I say whatever you want,
bibe.
kindly do.
Ikibazo canje baragiye ntibagiye.
May I ask you, did they go or not?
Ntabwo
I
ndakumvise.
didn't hear you.
Baragiye ntibagiye.
Did they have to go or not?
Uziko icyantangaje iminsi 5 yabahaye niyuzuye.
The 5 days couldn't even be full.
Bagenda iminsi 3.
They went out to the 3rd day.
muri iyi nkuru turigiramo ibintu bikomeye cyane. Kimwe mu kintu cya mbere turabona comportement z'ubwoko bubiri. Sinzi ko ashobora kubitabara nkuko jana bitahuye. Comportement ya mbere turabona umukobwa atarakobwa uko yifata iyo agiye kuraba cyangwa kuramusa umufiance wiwe. Hama kandi tukabona umukobwa uko yifata inyuma yo gukobwa cyangwa inyuma yo kugira mariage cyangwa inyuma bamaze kumukwa. Comportement agira nka nyine urugo cyangwa umufasoni wo mu rugo rugumwe wo mu rugo wabitahuye wabyumvise. So urabona neza yuko mu gihe atarakobwa ntiyari conscient cyangwa ntiyari bwaronke pouvoir runaka ku rugo rwiwe, parce que bien sûr ntiyari bwamenyeshwe imbere ya famille cyangwa imbere y'urushengero cyangwa imbere y'amategeko y'igihugu. Mugabo urabona kandi inyuma ingene yaciye ahinduka, ingene yaciye afata responsabilité ku rugo rwiwe, responsabilité ku buzima bwiwe. Rero izo comportement zibiri cyangwa ivyo bintu vyama bishikira abantu benshi mu buzima busanzwe. Dusanga umuntu afise potentiel muri we, afise ubushobozi muri we, mugabo manki taba conscient kiri muri we indani, time y'ubuzima adashaka kubamo, akaba victime cyangwa y'ibibazo ariko aracamwe, cyangwa akaba wa muntu yakisi intege nyene yihebuye yatakaje ivyizigiro kubera taba même conscient ya capacité, indoto, dream, ingabire Imana yashize muri we, cyangwa basi kutaba conscient y'ubushobozi cyangwa ubusabano cyangwa connection cyangwa relationship ufitaniye n'uhoraho. Wibuke yuko when God create us yavuze ngo reka ndeme abantu mu shusho ryanje kugira baze baganze isi. Mais aujourd'hui uriko uraganzwa mu gihe muri wewe hari ubushobozi bwo kuganza. Nahutane na wa mukobwa batarafiansa uko yari ameze. Mugabo ubu rero ndi ngahano kugira ashoye kukwibutsa nifashije video yuko uruganza isi nukwiye kuganzwa n'ibibazo, nukwiye kuganzwa n'amadifficulty, kuganzwa n'amakomantere ari negative hirya no hino, nukwiye kuganzwa no guhomba cyangwa gucibwa intege muri projet cyangwa ikintu urimo cyangwa ubuzima uri kuracamwe. Ahubwo kwiye kwibuka yuko waremewe kuganza. Rero umuntu amenya ko yaremewe kuganza ryari mu gihe acahindura mindset yiwe n'inyifato nuko abona ibintu nuko avyifatamo. Nivyo turiko turiga, nivyo twize kuri iyi party. Urabona ko yaciye afata responsabilité mu rugo rwiwe, abwira abashiki b'umugabo wiwe ati nimukira handi shaka kubaho nka jewe ngaha muri urugo rwanje. Kandi urabona ko vyakunze, bivuga ko naho mu buzima bwawe tu peux le faire. Kuvuga ati gore no munsi ubukene, ibibazo, iyi relation ndimwo nanezerewe cyane uku kutamenye cyo ndi, uku kutamenya imigambi ko no kwiye kwishira mu ngiro, mbogwe no munsi ndabikuye mu buzima bwanje. Alo kacutangura ubuzima ubundi buzima.
Agiye muri alimentation ndi kumwe na musaza wanje aba muri Belgique. Turinjira kuko nta mwanya wo kujya kuri banki, ndavuga ni no, arambwira ati ariko you don't have money, nta mafaranga ufite. Ndavuga ni no, arahari ndakubita dedwa arahari. Wakagira ngo harahandi nkubita dedwa. Turinjira dufata kaka bakita gute mbega nako nyene turagasukuma shiramo mbwira gute shushira kutavuga shiramo nkamubwira niki ati cyaki ni cyaheze shiramo. Urumva yari umushitsi, turashiramo karuzura dufata kandi turuzura. Arambwira ati Julienne reka ndakwibutse nta mafaranga ufite kuri momo. Ndamubwira ni don't worry, arahitazaho kuko it's just kutavuga.
Bivuge.
ntavyo numvise.
So days ago, this happened to me. I had my brother who lives in Belgium. So went in a shopping mall. I had no money, but he even reminded me that I had no money. But I told him, I'm just gonna go in and buy stuff because I know just 2 fingers, you go and pick where it is.
Turapakira, so abona dutangiye gusukuma twegera hehe aho bishuriza aranga ati agenda cyansohoka. Yahise agira ubwoba, narenze ubwoba ku buryo kandi suko ntayafite kuri konti yarahari, ariko kubera iki ari uwo mwanya numvaga biri bunize kujya kuri ATM ndamwe shiramo mfise Zoom meeting ati tubanze arayitazaho sidedwa ati hehe narahari. Uzi ko ibintu byo kwizira kugira ngo nibisaze twarasunitse my brother dushiraho baratangura barabara kaca icyambere bashirako akamashini ibihumbi jana niyo shira hajya nkabona wari uncomfortable atangira bati
So he was scared, telling me as we reach the cashier, I'm gonna go out. We don't have any money. But I told him, be bold, because the things of faith, it's like being crazy. So when they started counting the stuff we have taken,
my brother, it's not even faith.
Sinzi
nibyaribyo nukuvuga ngo none ibaza ngo umugore aja gufata mu ikabutura y'umugabo kubera ko afise kwizera kwinshi ngo navyo kwizera, you just go utera intambwe simple. Twagezeho barabara basigaje bike, telefone yari ngaha naho hagaza hata yuba kuko urumva umutima wari muratera muri 75 arebye asanga ni 2 million ajeho.
Just a while ago we had the phone ringing, then my heart was beating at 120 speed something.
Not me, his heart.
Yes, sorry. Then checking the phone ringing, he saw that 2 million just were dropped in the phone.
Aitaravuga aragira ngo turishura turarangiza. Hashize indi minsi ejo bundi nari kumwe na my sister, nari mfite rendezvous yo gukora na Pastor Jedone yarahari, nari mfite rendezvous turi mu giterane, pastor ari kuri hotel, rumva mu giterane nta mwanya ubufite, nari mfite rendezvous yo gukora general check up banza yes turimo turaja kureba docteur aitaranyibutsa ngo none ko tutaciye kuri bank ufise amahera, ndamubwira ni ibyo twarabigize gute twarabirenze, ndamwe ntayo nabonye umwanya kandi mukanya Pastor Jedone arabaje nta mwanya ati none biragenda gute ni aretaza.
So another round came where we
Wait
had
a
to be
bit,
some
wait a
general
bit.
check-up, yes.
Turajana yari kuri volant, ubanza umutima we aramubwira ati akomeza areba telefone yari ngaho, turagenda tugezaho dukatira kwa doctor nkaho aca yumva aramanga ivyo nibiki ni ehera singuyu acanga atari ko rero niyo mpamvu bavuga ngo mu gikuzimu umva uko wizera muri wawe ni kuri.
Wow. Ikibazo cyawe kuri uwo mwanya nuko ucutangura wiyumvire cyane ubifate muri kote y'abantu batizera mugabo bizera ba pasteur ngo nuko ari umupasteur akora ibitangaza nuko ari no nawe ne ubwiwe yabivuze ngo uko wizera ni kuri. So I don't know bon bien sûr biri un peu dur cyangwa difficile kuvyakira, but when you see ukwera ko arabivuga urabona ko atari hajya kugira ashoboye gutera inkuru, because it's true. Jewe ubwanje ivyo bintu birabaho. Rero si uwe byashoboye kuba bikunda amafaranga arashika mu telefone, wera ashobora kudashika projet yawe igakunda, kuko nasanze abantu benshi imigambi yacu ifa cyane inanirana gushikako mu gihe kubera ko mu gihe tuba turayitegura our mindset ibice 90% biba ari mu ruhombo, tuyumvira guhomba, tuyumvira ko bitazagukunda, ku buryo usanga n'umuntu ariko arasenga Imana, mana ndagusavye bikunde, you know, kubera iki muri we ababona za gukunda, kuko iyo aba yizera ko bishobora gukunda ahabwo yoshima, mana ndagushimiye kubera ko vyakunze, même si abona yuko même si atarabikora. Rero uriko uravyumva ukibaza yuko ari umunyabitangaza n'umugeni, twese yatweretse yuko uko tuvyizera nuko bitubako. Rero nk'ubu je ndiko ndiyumvira koma wewe vyanse kushitsa indoto yawe, vyanse kubaho ubuzima wifuza kubamwo, mu gihe hari wundi we akeneye n'amafaranga amusanga mu telefone yiwe. Rero sometimes urabona yuko ikibazo si Imana cyangwa ikibazo si igihugu urimwo, ikibazo si umuryango uvamo, ahubwo ikibazo ni wewe, kubera ko warafashe ukwizera kwawe, wari kwizera wewe, ukizera n'Imana yawe, ubiha abandi bantu, ubiha igihugu, ubiha ba oncle bande, ubiha famille yawe wavuka ukomokamo, jewe ngo naco nzovamwo bitewe na famille yanje ko atacizana nta numwe yavuye yagize icyo avuyemwo. Cyangwa warafashe amaesheke wagize yose warayafashe arakudefinisa wewe utari we wanyawe. Ibi ni ibintu nabikoze byarahombe, je ndabona nta mpamvu yo kugerageza kandi ibindi. Narananiwe kwishuri, bamwe bambwira ko ndi kijuju, narananiwe kwishuri ishuri 1000 naco nzovamo. Kujya bakoze bakubwira ko atacuzovamo ukaguma wibona nawe ko atacuzovamo, c'est pas comme ça. Mugabo si urukora vyizera uko bien sûr uko ni kuri, bivuga ko rero kuri umwanya urashobora guhindura the way you believe in you and the way you believe in God, the way you believe in life, or the way you believe in anything. Ugatangura guhindura iyo system ya croyance iri muri wewe, ende ugahindura ubuzima bwawe. Je cyo nifuza ni kukubona même si udashoboye kuresisa a 100%, basi ni kukubona wateye indi ntambwe, uvuga ati bien sûr naragize icyo nshoboye muri amezi 3 je fais ça, muri ku kwezi kumwe nakoze iki, muri iyi ndwi nakoze iki, uyu munsi nakoze iki, ku buzima bwawe, ku buzima bw'umuryango wawe, ku buzima bw'igihugu cyawe, ku buzima bw'urushengero rwawe, ku buzima bw'abagenzi bawe. Cyose ukavyumvira ko rero sishaka ko nawe kujya ukatanga kwiyumvira ati ndashaka amafaranga muri mikash. No, birashobora kubaho mu gihe ufise croyance iri mu rwego rwo hejuru. Jewe ku bwanje mu gihe numva iyo nkuru natashe mvuga ati qu'est-ce que moi je peux faire? Bien sûr ukwizera kutuma amafaranga yinjira mu telefone muri mikash na confise, mais ukwizera kutuma jewe ejo mpamagaza umuntu mu kwizera akaza kunshorera umupira akama marché akama akazi uko ndagufise. Bivuga ko nahinduye system yo kwizera uko mvyuka mu gatondo, nkibwira misi yose ubu n'umunsi wanje n'umunsi mwiza, ndaza kuronka akazi za gukora, amafaranga araza kuza kuri jewe, kandi ngenda ndavyizera uko amafaranga aza kuza, c'est comme ça. Ndaza kuronka akazi, ndaza guhura n'abantu baraza kunwena, ndaza kuryoherwa, umunsi uza kurangira neza every morning, ndavyibwira. C'est-à-dire ndahinduye system ya croyance yanje ku munsi, mu gihe wundi ashaka kuvyuka ati mbega n'umunsi nza gukora iki, la ko imvura iguye kwerera amafaranga aza kuboneka. Ivyo je navyo ngiciyumvira, c'est comme ça. Nawe urashaka guforma we wizera parce que we yarizera neza yuko amafaranga aza kuza, umugani we ngo akubita dedwa mu gihe musaza we atabibona. C'est compréhensible ko ivyo wizera wewe, famille yawe canke umukuru wawe, mutoyi wawe canke umupasiro adashoboye kuvyizera, mais mu gihe wowe uvyizeye, mu gihe wowe uvyizeye urashobora kubironka. Niyo mpamvu hari ijambo rimwe nkunda rivuga ngo nimba ushoboye kubibona mu vyumviro, ngo menya yuko ushoboye kubifata no mu ntoki cyangwa mu biganza. Bivuga iki rero? Guhera uno munsi decida ku buzima bwawe, uhindure uburyo wizera, uhindure uburyo wizera mu bintu, mu bantu, hamushobore guhindura ubuzima bwawe.
Iki
I
witorero,
will say Christ is the head of the church.
twebwe turiki
We are what?
turi umubiri wiwe.
With the body.
Reka ntanga urugero gutya.
Let me give you an example.
My brother wambaye ishati ya bleu, woza ukadufasha mu
Brother
rugero.
with a blue shirt, come here.
ntanga urugero vuba vuba hanyuma
Just an example.
nibwo uri buhita ubibona ntavuze gusa.
Just for you to see this.
Merci beaucoup.
Stand right here. Thank
Good.
you.
Ni Kristo sivyo?
It's Christ.
Tugiye kumwita Kristo.
Let's name him Christ.
Bibiliya yavuze ngo
The Bible
Kristo
says,
niki?
Christ is what?
Munsubize.
Answer to me.
Niwe mutwe wiki
He's the head of what? The
w'ishengero.
church.
None twebwe turi iki?
So who are we?
Turi iki? Turi umubiri sivyo?
With the body.
Turi umubiri wa Kristo. Zamura amaboko yawe.
Raise your hand.
Bamwe ni amaboko, abandi ni agatuza, ni amaguru
others are the
sivyo?
chest and legs.
Hanyuma dusome hamwe.
So then let's just read some.
Agihagaze ngaha.
As he stands.
Yesu twabonye ko ari
So Christ is
umutwe, twebwe turi
and we are
umubiri.
the body.
Nubwo ntakongera gusoma.
We're not
Bibiliya
gonna just
iravuze
read.
ngo
The Bible said
sorry. Bibiliya iravuze ngo yafashe ibintu byose.
he took all things.
Abifata abishyira munsi y'ibirenge
Them under the feet
bya Kristo.
of Christ.
Ibintu bingahe?
How many things?
N'ibyawe birimo.
Many of things included.
Ibintu byose ngo biri munsi y'ibirenge bya Kristo.
Under the feet of Christ.
Ngo afata ishengero arigira
Took the church and made the body.
abigira umubiri. Ikibazo canje ngiki.
My question is,
None ibintu byose biri
so where are all the things?
munsi y'ibirenge byande.
Under the feet of who?
Byande. None ni bya Kristo gusa.
Christ alone.
Kristo ari ngaha,
Christ
jendi
is there,
ngaha.
I am here.
Hari abataravyumva.
Some don't understand yet.
Kristo ni umutwe,
Christ is the head.
turi umubiri we. Bamwe
We
ni
are the
amaboko,
body. Some are legs and hands.
abandi ni agatuza, abandi ni amaguru,
chest,
abandi
legs.
aha. Afata ibintu bingahe?
He took many things.
Bible ivuga ivyo mu ijuru, ivyo mu isi no munsi y'isi.
Those of
Ngo
heaven
byose
and
yabifashe abishyira munsi.
We put under the feet.
Ngo arangije amugabira itorero
He handed over the church to him.
ari ryo mubiri we.
Being his body.
Turi ngaha.
We are here.
Ni ukuvuga ngo jewe na Yesu
I and Christ,
ibintu byose
all things
birihe.
are where?
Ndumva amajwi y'abantu
I
batatu.
can see a few voices here.
Biri munsi
All
y'ibirenge
things are
byacu.
under our feet.
None kuva ryari Yesu Satani wamwimuye umushyira ku mugongo?
Since then, have you put the devil, moved him, and put him on your back. Fire. Thunder, fire, devil.
Kuva ryari Satani wavuze ngo amereye nabi? Akumereye nabi gute? Ni wowe umuha uburenganzira.
Since then, you started saying devil is harming you. The one giving him the right to harm you.
Kuva ryari uvuga ngo asigaye yaramfungiye ikirere? Agifunga gute? Arihe?
Since then, you started saying he has closed your realm, the spirit.
None
Where is he?
yasimbutse ryari hasi, asimbuka amaguru, arasimbuka, asimbuka n'umutwe.
When did he manage to move from the legs up to the head? When and how?
Nutabyumva
If you understand this,
ndagufata ku ngufu
I'm gonna by force you
ndabigushyiremo,
and put this in your hand.
kuko nyuma y'iyi somero
After this week,
uraza kugenda umutwe wa uri
you
hejuru,
call your head being uplifted.
uraza kugenda uzi uwo uri we
will
muri
walk
Kristo,
knowing who you are in Christ Jesus.
uraza kugenda wemye.
You will walk upright standing.
Iki nugisobanukirwa,
If you understand this pattern here,
iyi imaji ikakujyamo,
and then you keep this pattern in your mind,
uba ndakurahira
let me say before me,
amafaranga ntazongera kuba ikibazo cyawe.
money won't be an issue for you.
Ibyo kuvuga ngo narwaye hano, ngo ejo cyafashe hano, ngo uyu munsi
Whether
cyafashe
I'm
ngaho,
sick here, tomorrow this side, or the other side,
ngo cyagize gute?
you know what?
So cyasimbutse kiva munsi y'ibirenge bya Yesu,
Move from the under feet of Jesus Christ.
kiramucugusa na Yesu cyamucugushije,
Shook even Christ himself
kirasimbuka
and went up,
kigusanga hano.
jumped to the shoulders.
Fa
Fire, thunder, devil.
nakubwiye ngo ibintu byose ni ubumenyi. Nawe mwumvise
Said all
Pastor
things-
Joshua yarabivuze.
I heard Pastor Apostle Joshua saying this. It's knowledge. All things, it's knowledge.
Igihe cyose utamenye umwanya wawe, position yawe, utangura kwimura ibintu ukabishyiraho bitari.
Whenever you don't know your position, you will start to move things in the wrong positions.
Narimo ndabwira umudamu umwe ejo bundi, ndamubwira ni I wish I knew. Iyo menya ibyo nzu uyu munsi ya myaka ya mbere, yo mba naramuhamvye kera mu Nyabaranda narapfundikiye.
I told a lady that if I knew all I know now years ago, I could have buried devil a long time ago.
kuko ibintu by'ubwami bw'Imana ni knowledge n'ubumenyi ufite.
The things of the kingdom is the capacity of knowledge you have within your mind.
icyo utazi ubwacyo gihindutse imbunda ikurasa.
What you don't know becomes a weapon to shoot you.